Hey guys, so today I took a shorts on ES for by 2 and 3 RR, and the reason for it today, I was looking for shorts coming into the market because we had this swing here, and we had a very strong signature that we were going lower because we had the C1, C2, C3, and now trading the C4 going lower. Plus, we respected all of these gaps to essentially expand lower. So when we opened, I saw that YM was just dumping, while NQ was the strongest asset and ES in the middle. And seeing this, I was like, I know for sure that we're going lower, but what could give me a good entry? So I saw we traded into this 15-minute gap right here, and this was a little bit of a riskier trade than today because we had this devil's mark which could have been easily taken out since we already had SMT with YM. But yeah, so I waited for a 2-minute closure actually, but I got in a little bit before because I saw how uh, how much we rejected up here, and and that YM just kept dumping without any signature of going up again. So the SMT should have been broken, which it did in this case, right? So I took my entry here. It actually got retested on the next 2-minute candle, and then I just shorted here. We stalled a lot at this area right here, but but after respecting this 2-minute gap, we finally got under and took my draw on liquidity. So yeah, today, this week was very slow for me. I'm only up at like 4.3 R for this week, but I mean it's still better than nothing, right? And yesterday I didn't, I forgot to journal because I was very tired. But yesterday I took one break even. I wanted to short, but I tried to get a limit fill instead of market executing in. And if I market executed in, it would have given me, I think, what was my target? Let me just draw it out real quick. So yesterday I anticipated strength switch with YM because YM was stumping and NQ and ES was just pumping. So I wanted to take ES because it was the second weakest asset. Yesterday. So wait, give me a second here. Oh, this is today. Was in the 5-minute, I believe. Where was it? This 10 expanded up. Yeah, I believe it was here. Or was it the 3-minute? It could have been the 3-minute. I'm not sure, but I did call it out in the what's it called? In the voice chat yesterday. So I don't know if some of you took it, but it printed for like 3 to 5 hour if I remember correctly, and I did miss out on it, which is totally my own fault. Let me see, was it this one? And then target and now the gap down here. The EQ of this. Was it the 4 maybe? Oh yeah, it was 4. And that's it. We are live for free every single day where we call out what trades we're taking. And if you want to join, feel free to come in. Actually, oh yeah, there we go. Okay, if I mark it in, it would have given me about 3 RR, but I didn't. So I wanted to put a limit up here. Well, I did put a limit up here and I never got filled. So yeah, I learned that if it could give me more than 2 RR, I should just mark it in. So that's totally my own fault. So yeah, that was it for this week. Hope to see you guys next week. Bye.